Hello, hi. So this is the project, e-commerce chatbot, and as you can see, this folder, I have multiple folders here and some of the files here. So first of all, I have this chatbot app and call is chatbot, static and template. So template contain all the HTML templates that are there. Static contains the images and the CSS files, which are basically not changing. College chatbot and this chatbot app, then this manage.py, and this database is for Django only. So these are generated by Django, and we had made some changes there. So I'll tell you what are the changes. Coming First of all, coming to the training part. So we first of all created our data. Now what our data looks like. So this is intents.json. Here we have tag, pattern, question, responses, and context. So, for example, if a user is saying hi, how are you? Is there anyone there, or something like that? So it is a greeting, and we will respond with hello, good to see you again, hi, how can I help you? Just such like that. Then a lot of other things are there that we have defined, like can I cancel my order? So I have defined what could be the possible answer for that. So we have defined multiple instances here, multiple FAQs, multiple product based questions. So for example, oversized t-shirt, if user says best oversized t-shirt for casual wear, so we will respond to this and all the other things that are there. So we have created this data set, then we have trained our model. After training our model, we have got this chatbot.h5, this classes.pkl, and this words.pkl. So in this training file, this is our code. So first of all, we have imported all the required libraries, uh, like NLP, NLTK, Sastri, random, NumPy, Pickle, JSON, TensorFlow, and all the other things. So TensorFlow is basically for dealing with machine learning stuff and training our model. NLP is dealing with natural language processing things. Sastrui is also for NLP. So it's Tremor Factory is part of you say NLP only. So we are using that. Then first of all, we are downloading the required packages from NLTK, and then we are checking the then we are applying stop words and stemmers. So basically, we are just applying some pre-processing NLP concepts here on the intents.json file. So we are applying all the pre-processing concepts. Then we have a list of words and we have a list of classes. Classes contain tags and the words contain patterns. So we have dumped that words.pkl file and classes.pkl file. Then we are preparing for training the model. So to train the model, we first of all need to prepare our data set. So for data set, we have kept training. So we have kept a word in this training list, and what should be the output row. So we have just randomly shuffled our training file. So we have some random iterations there. Then we are training on the text and this text, so that we can predict what tags should be there for any pattern that is there. So we have defined our model here. So we are using CNN, and then we are just dumping our model and saving it as chatbot underscore model dot h5. So this is our pre-trained model that we have saved. Now we will be using this model only in Django to just check, to just load, to just verify whatever the user is saying, and then on that basis only we will say ki this is the response that you should get. So in this bot.py file, we are loading this model, So again, we are importing all the required libraries and we are loading all the files that are there. Then again, we are applying those pre-processing factors that we defined there. Then, so if I pass my message into chat, it will call chatbot underscore message. This will first of all predict the classes. Now, how we are predicting the classes? In classes, what we are doing, we are giving it the sentence in the model. In sentence, we are calling BOW function. In this BOW, we are just pre-processing everything in every sentence that we were doing earlier. Then we are just predicting it on the model, and it will give us that which class that model belongs to. For example, if I say hi, so that must belong to my greeting class. So it will tell me that your whatever the input that you have given is belonging to this class. Now it is easy. When I have my class, I am passing it to get response, and from get response, I'm getting what the response should I give for this particular class, and then we are just returning out that output. And if we do not get anything, we'll just say, I'm not sure about anything, please, I'm not sure about it, please ask something else. Okay, now this is how we are loading and using our model, and this is how we are training our model. So this bot.py is now used inside Django. So as I told, these are the apps that we created using Django. Okay, in Django, all these things are already there. So we did not change any much things. Basically, where we made the major change is this views.py. Now, in this views.py, what we are doing, we are importing that bot.py that we created. Now, if any user comes first, so we will load this chat view, that index.html file, and if users send any data, that means if users send any data, so it will be get command. So we'll say request.get the user message that they have sent. Now for that particular message, I'll call my bot to respond for that message, and I will just find out means I will just filter out the message and show it to the user by rendering into the JSON response, and then it will get rendered into that HTML file. Okay, this index.html file. This is basically it. This is how we are processing in this project. This is how all the files are getting linked, how we are training our model, and everything else. If you have any other doubt, just do let me know. Thank you very much.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.